Thank you for calling. Can I assist you?
Hey, what's going on, Jay? This is Lee. So, looking to get in contact with your maintenance or facility manager.
Yeah. Is there something I can help you with?
Yeah, possibly. Here, we partner up with over 30 clients throughout the surrounding areas, and we provide medical grade cleaning for niche markets in the area. And we do have a specific team of cleaners that will be dedicated to your facility. Big thing about us is that we do not subcontract out like most companies. Everybody is in-house working for us. So we'd love to partner up in this way. You that guy in charge of that department, or?
Yeah, well, I'm the manager. But
Okay.
I think with y'all's type of cleaning service, like we do like apartment cleaning. So we'll have our regular office cleaning. If that's something you're interested in bidding out, I'm always open to getting bids, and then unit turn
For sure.
cleaning.
For sure. For sure. What's your email, man? Sure. And then you are the, I guess you can say, leasing manager or office manager?
The property manager. So yeah.
Property manager, my man. Okay. So you guys already have a cleaning provider that provides direct access to the owner for immediate, issue resolution, for your office cleaning already?
Usually, because right now I do have somebody under contract, so it's basically they come out twice a week to clean the office amenity areas, and then unit turns. Usually, there's going to be a little bit cheaper. It's like the basic cleaning, to where we have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. But again, if that's something y'all are interested in bidding, I'm always open to new bids.
I hear you. And you said they come out twice per week. Is that just the amount of times that you guys need the service, or would it be more?
Right now, twice per week is fairly what we need. To where they spend maybe about half a day cleaning our office.
Got it. And then half a day. How big is the building? Just roughly, square feet wise.
So it's one of those things to where we're an apartment community. So don't have the office square footage right offhand for you. Just an FYI. So if it's something I wanted to come out to try and price out, I'm always.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, I'm glad that you said that. So what I'll do is I'll set up an in-person meeting so we can give out a quote for you, like you just mentioned. And that'll be with our territory director. We'll be able to come out on the 15th at 10:30 a.m. if that's cool, man. Okay, 10:30 a.m. He'll be out there to give you that competitive quote. And then just to let you know as well, man, we do trash removal as well, high touch point disinfection, desk wipe downs, and a regular inspection with follow-ups that are guaranteed as well. So, like I said, it's medical grade cleaning, and hopefully, when they come out next week, they'll be able to explain that more in depth for a partnership to happen. But I appreciate you taking my call, man.
Have a good one.
Absolutely. Just to let you know, you'll get a reminder a day or two beforehand for that in-person meeting. Other than that, take care, man.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right.